They're stuck.
Yeah.
Hey, back up.
All right. You want to try and pull them out or something, or what?
Yeah, you want to try to winch them?
Yeah, I suppose.
I'll let you take over that.
Try and see if we can. Yeah. Sunk down, huh? Yeah. Take this little thing off here. You know, hold on to that. Put it in the box one.
I'll put it in the box.
Yeah. Probably gonna have to pull up some, so I mean you don't have to just, I mean don't get too far down, but so I don't have to pull so much cable out.
About there?
Yeah.
You want me to feed it out?
We try pulling it this way first. Yeah, I don't use it much, but most of the time pulling trees off the path is what I use it for, but it's good to have, at least one of them anyway. I'll let you hook it to what you guys want to find. It's freewheeling, so.
All right, you winch it.
We're not ready yet.
I know.
That.
Dude, there's y'all over there. That's deep. Okay, well, it's really deep right here. You take a shower? Kind of.
Well, I mean, ideally that it's not, but if you want to do it that way, you can. I mean, if you can't find any other way to do it, that's fine.
I have a strap, a little bit of strap, and I think it's Stevie yesterday.
You okay? You good?
Yeah, just hop over there, just.
Just hop in there. Oh my God.
That's deep right there.
Yeah, it is.
Good night. That's waist deep, everybody.
Oh, yeah, it's deep.
Good. All right. All right. Let's see here.
You're like floating. Golly.
All right, think you make it, or you want me to pull you back further?
Go ahead, back up
Back
and
up.
just pull it all the way.
All right.
There you go. Yeah, that's
All right. Pull up some.
Yes.
Oh.
We're having a good time. That's all that matters.
All right. Yeah. Well, we were able to help y'all. That's
we
a bad
almost didn't
spot
take
right
this trail.
there. You want to hold that, and I can put some tension on it while I reel it in.
I got it.
This is our second time ever riding it.
That far enough?
Yep.
All right. We'll just leave that strap off, I guess.
Yeah.
You get it from here?
Yep.
All
I got
right.
it.
Yeah. I think this is the worst spot out here, really. I mean, it's not, we hadn't run into anything. This is our first day out here, but this is definitely, that's deeper than it looks.
Oh yeah. Then that was something sticking out and it was like, yeah.
Yeah.
Never did look that bad. I got there and it was like.
Yeah, it looks like it's a lot of clay in there. It's hard to get grip on that.
Yeah, then I think it's kind of bottomed out.
Yeah, high center. Yeah. All right. Well, y'all have a good one. All right. Huh?
Oh, you think of pulling me out?
No. You don't owe me nothing. I don't mind helping you.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah. No problem, man.
Jesse, you gonna head back toward the parking lot? You gonna head? You know which way to get to the parking lot? Alan went this way back too, though. He went a little. I appreciate it.
Yeah. It's not. I mean, if y'all been here, it ain't bad that way. I mean, you're not gonna hit.
Came in, I turned around.
Yeah.
We're heading out. I was afraid to cut it off.
Yeah. They say not to do that because it'll suck it in. Yeah, you're right.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, no problem, man. Y'all have a good day.